All right, so maybe this has happened to you. You're leading a virtual call and you toss out a question to the group and you get crickets. Here's the thing, there are absolutely going to be times where this happens. And in those instances, you're going to have to just jump back in and kind of keep the conversational ball moving forward. But honestly, the reason this scenario most often occurs is because the question asker didn't let silence linger long enough. Silence can be an incredibly powerful tool for two reasons. First, it creates unnecessary discomfort in the room that your audience is going to want to remedy. Second, it tells your audience that you are confident leading this discussion because it essentially says, hey, I'm okay with sitting in this uncomfortable place until you all are ready to talk. You can always spot an unskilled speaker by how quickly they try to cover up silence in the room with sound. You don't want to be that person. So, rule of thumb, whenever you toss a question out on a virtual call, be willing to sit in silence for a good, say, 10 to 15 seconds while people collect their thoughts. Now, if you're not used to doing this, it's probably going to feel a little awkward at first, but with some time, you're going to quickly see how much your folks are actually willing to respond. Sometimes you got to make it a little bit uncomfortable. I'll see you next time.